Diesel timing belt. Car was recovered to us. Not really running. It was a bit lumpy. It was in very lumpy. In fact, it was knocking. Didn't want to idle. It was doing nothing. Recovered to us, and this is what we found. So the timing belt has pretty much ripped itself a new one. You can see, and it's jumped out of time. We've got the bottom timed up, and it's very difficult to see. I'll show the pump. So that's where the pump sits. The pump looks okay, but the cam itself needs to be a lot further around. If I can show you the arrow. There's an arrow just there where my finger is, and that should be facing the top. So as you can see, it's quite a distance off. So there, shredded belt. It's only done 40k. Never had a belt, 68 plate. And yeah, don't think that's going to go so well. So there you go, just thought I'd bring it on for that one.